there, my name is David Oyena, and today we're going to take a look at CQ action, which is one of the 4 strategies of cultural intelligence forwarded by Livermore 2015. And according to Livermore 2015, the 3 strategies of culture of CQ drive, CQ knowledge, and CQ strategies are actually most crucial in adapting a leader's behavior. So CQ action is primarily the outcome of these 3 strategies. It has to do with behaviors, because it's only through behaviors that we can tell whether a leader is culturally intelligent or not. CQ action puts communication as a pivotal aspect. It fronts communication as a pivotal aspect. And under communication, we have, under CQ action, we have the 3 dimensions of speech acts, verbal behavior, and non-verbal behavior, all of which have a communication aspect attached to them. CQ action is absolutely important because there are a lot of cultural differences that lie within a nation and outside a nation. Take, for instance, Uganda. As a nation, we have close to 56 tribes, all of which are informed by 56 different cultures. So CQ action is important in helping a leader to adapt behaviors that can help them operate in a nation like Uganda very effectively. So how can a leader develop CQ action? As mentioned earlier, communication plays a pivotal role in CQ action. And accordingly, there are 3 communication behaviors that are most crucial. These include word usage, delivery, and non-verbal actions. Under word usage, we have the aspects of topics, knowing when to bring the right topics. Different settings ask for different topics. Different settings demand for different kinds of topics because of the cultural aspects that dictate that. Then we also need to know the request, when and when not to make requests. The same thing is with apologies, when to make apologies and when not to make apologies. And all of these are informed by our different cultures. I will give an example of Uganda, and I will admit it's not the best of examples, but in Uganda, most of us don't really keep time. And I remember a little while back, I worked for an organization that had hired a manager from Britain. And when this manager came in, he perceived timekeeping as a very crucial aspect of running an organization. So I remember him calling for a meeting in which most of us turned up late and we did not apologize. And I remember him getting so mad and claiming that we did that because we did not value him or value the organization. And now I understand where he's coming from, because his culture perceived timekeeping as a very, very crucial aspect in life. Then we also have compliments, still under word usage, knowing when to give compliments and when not to give compliments. Then obviously we have delivery, the right kind of delivery. We need to choose the right kind of delivery that will match the right kind of words that we adopt as leaders. Then finally we have the non-verbal actions. Most of communication has to do with non-verbal actions. And most of these, or if not all, these non-verbal actions have a heavy cultural aspect attached to them. Culture dictates most of the non-verbal aspects in the different societies where we come from. Finally, CQ action fronts the idea that a leader ought to know when and when not to adopt their culture to a specific community or wherever they are working. You find that there are certain aspects of culture that run against our own beliefs and values, and also the beliefs and the values of the organizations for which we work for. Thank you very much. God bless you.